Hey there, welcome again to a new episode of PropCoach, and today we're going to talk about something amazing because I have followed so many real estate professionals all over the world, and I'm always very curious in what makes these agents so successful. And I can tell you there are 5 daily habits that real estate professionals have that will make them into an incredible sales monster in real estate. First thing that I recognize real estate professionals do that are extremely successful, they wake up very early. And why do they wake up very early? Because they start their day with the right mindset. They get into the mindset of having an extremely productive day. Having a day where they know that they're going to close a deal today. And that is not something that you do that just get out of bed, rushing for a cup of coffee and then just jump out and go for your viewings. No, it's really important that you need to know that you have to get into that mindset. So every professional real estate agent that I know that has to have huge success, they get into that mindset. What else do they do in the early morning? They plan ahead, so they have an amazing schedule, and the next thing is they already start following up with the clients that they contacted yesterday, that they contacted last week, that they contacted last year, and that is something that will happen during the whole day, that you keep following up with people. But that starts early in the morning because you want to be ahead of the game. The second daily habit that real estate professionals have is they have fixed calls and fixed appointments every day. Yes, they plan moments into their schedule that they will make a specific number of phone calls and they will have at least 1 or 2 appointments a day. A day without appointments is no business. A day without calls is not working on your business. So if you don't focus time every day in feeding your business with calls and new appointments, then your business is going to be too much up and down, up and down. Make sure you always, every day, bring in those numbers. Enough calls, enough people you connect with, and enough appointments. The third thing, very obviously, what real estate professionals need to do to become extremely successful is they need to connect and network every day. Networking means they have to go to conferences, seminars, events. They have to connect on LinkedIn with people, and actually simply on the street, they have to start talking with people because they have to keep growing that network. So networking is a crucial part of their business because if they don't network enough, they're not expanding their business enough. So make sure that as a professional real estate agent that you go out there and make sure that you network with enough people. The fourth thing that real estate professionals do to make sure that they can become extremely successful, they need to find a way to scale their business. And the only way that you can scale your business if you organize and systematize your business. There will be a lot of things going on during the day. A lot of phone calls, a lot of people you network with, a lot of listing appointments, all that kind of stuff. But if you don't have a system that you're working on, one day you will go absolutely crazy. So great real estate professionals, they organize things. They make sure they understand what they're doing every day, and they make sure that also everything is systematized so that they know where they can find stuff and how to proceed with stuff, and that once a contract comes in, what is the next step, so that things always keep moving. Because if you are not moving, your clients are not moving, and if your clients not moving, you are just not making money. So organize and systematize. That's a key of scalability. The last thing that real estate professionals focus on every day is their marketing machine. You want to have this marketing machine ongoing every time. You want to keep feeding that marketing machine with coins, because if you stop that machine, then you're literally also stopping your business. We all know these agents out there where there's a lot of business, then there's no business. Where a lot of business and then there's no business. But that is because they keep on their machine, off their machine, on their machine, off their machine. If you want to have a steady business, you want to have a steady marketing machine. So keep those marketing campaigns rolling. Keep focusing on that marketing and see every day how you can improve it. Look at the numbers. How many leads have you received? Is it working or is it not working? If it's not working, improve it. If it's working, try to scale it. Look at that every day and your business will be thriving. So here you have it, the 5 daily habits of real estate professionals. And it may sound easy, but I can promise you that if I look at the whole world of real estate professionals, it's not that easy. Keeping those 5 daily habits ongoing. It's just not an easy task because it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of discipline. Discipline is not always something that people find easy. So if you really want to have that thriving business, those 5 things you really have to have into place to really get the basics started. And after that, you can add things, but start with these 5 things and you will already see your business changing very fast. Okay, thank you for watching this time. You know where to find us for any questions, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you leave a comment. Thank you.